it's Michelle here. So today I'm going to be filming a video about how I curl my hair. And if you want to see me do this, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so what we're going to start off doing is I just washed my hair. I conditioned it. I used Olaplex number 3. And that's because my hair, as you can tell, I have like a balayage going on. And you need to condition your hair if you're going to be using heat products. So I did that. So now, since we're going to be curling our hair, this does take quite a while for people with long hair like mine. My hair goes like right about up to here. So my hair is very long. This is the HotTools Professional. I think this is a 1 1/4 inch barrel. So that's what I'm going to be using today. For colored hair like this, what my stylist recommended, she said don't go above 350. So I'm going to put this on 320. So you can see I set my little dial. 320. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to let that heat up. You need to use some sort of heat protectant to protect your hair so it doesn't get damaged. So I'm just going to spray that all over, especially the ends, and you kind of want to just get it everywhere. Alright, so now I'm going to just brush all of this out so it can evenly distribute it. Okay, so now that we did that and we've prepped our hair, what I like to do is I like to put my hair in clips so I can kind of curl it in layers. So I'm just going to take the first top part and I'm going to put this up in a knot. It doesn't have to be anything special, I just want it to sit at the top. And just depending on how much hair, how many layers you can divide it into, I'm probably just going to divide it into like the top and the bottom layers here. So now you have the bottom part of your hair, and just make sure it's all brushed out, and then your hot iron should be good by now. So what I do is I'm going to split it down the middle. So I'm going to take about this much hair, and then you can brush it out if you feel like it's knotty. And then I'm going to take this is my right hand, and I'll put it behind my hair like this, and then just wrap it around. So, see how I'm coming from behind with the hair iron? That's what you want to do. So I can kind of touch it here to feel when it gets hot enough. So I'm going to count to like 15. Okay, and then kind of just slide that out, and you let it go. Okay, I'm going to do a few more on this side, and then I'll switch to the left side. Okay, so make sure you want to come behind, and then get close to your head. You don't want to burn yourself. Then you're going to curl. And then you don't want to curl the end pieces, because then it gives you kind of like that really sharp look. You want to stop, like, I like to say like up to 2 inches before. So then you just slide it out. See, there we go. So now that I did 2 on this side, I'm going to do 2 on this side. So this is how, if you want to get those like nice little like beachy waves, or like the little celebrity hair curl look, you want to do it this way. So you want to go behind, same way. I like to have that little handle here like facing upwards, and that's just so it doesn't get tangled in your hair. And then you do the same thing, kind of just wrap this around. And now I'm going to let this one go. Alright, and I'll do another one on this side. Once you start doing it this way with like the opposite hand behind your head this way, then they're going to start coming out really nice. Alright, so there's that. So now that I've done this on both sides, now we can speed it up, and I'm going to do the rest of the bottom of my head, and then I'll catch back up with you once I get to the top of my head, okay? And so yeah, so so now you can kind of just watch me do this quickly. Okay guys, so now you can see that I did my bottom layer. I have some of my little silver coming out. This actually looks really nice when you do have like a biolage, because then like your colors can pop out a little bit. So now that I did the bottom, I'm going to push all that to the back, and I'm going to let my top down. Everything that I just did back here and just put back. You can work from like the back or the front. So yeah, you're going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to chop it up with y'all when I get to the front part of my vein. Alright. Okay, so since this is my front part, just going to be careful, and I just like to make sure these are straight here. So there's that. Okay, and then we will make our final adjustments here in a little bit. So there's this side. Alright, let's do it. Same thing. Have it. So that's how I get this look. Here we go. I'm going to show you from the side. So it looks like from the side and from behind. Okay, actually from behind it looks kind of nice. So yeah, and you can see how in the middle they kind of meet because they're going two different ways. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. This is a HotTools 1.4, 1 1/4, I believe. So if you have long hair, you definitely want like a bigger barrel. And this is actually the XL, so this is an extra long barrel for extra long hair. This is like a 1/2 to 1/4, so it's half down here and then it turns into 1/4 inch at the top. So this is a tapered barrel, but it's the same brand, and you can see that the handle size is the same, but if you were to get just the normal curling iron, it's going to be this small. So wherever this clamp is, that's kind of where your curling iron would end if you got the regular size. So definitely that extra length there really helps with long hair. So definitely recommend that if you have really long hair. So you can find this specific one online. I really like this rainbow series. You can find this at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, and it was $20. It's still hot, but $20. Yes, definitely look into this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give my channel a like, and you can sub if you want to see more of my videos. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
It turned out that my camera settings were on the wrong thing, so that was tragic. Not good. It was...
It's just fire. I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired.